Tanong, makakakuha ba ng burial o funeral benefit ang eligible beneficiary ng isang deceased member? Atin pong tignan ang mismong official website ng SSS. Narito po ang nakasulat. Starting 20 October 2023, the amount of funeral benefit shall be as follow. Variable amount from a minimum of 20,000 to a maximum of 60,000 if the member pensioner paid at least 36 contributions up to the month of death. Fixed amount of 12,000 if the member pensioner paid at least one but less than 36 contribution up to the month of death. So, kung iintindihin natin yung nakasulat dito, so meron pong makukuha ang eligible beneficiary kung ang isang deceased member ay meron lang po siyang one posted contribution sa SSS. At ang makukuha po dito ay fixed na 12,000 pesos. Kaya po maganda magpa-member sa SSS dahil kahit konti, one posted contribution lang ang naibigay mo sa SSS, meron at meron pa rin makukuha dito. Lalo na yung inyong mga maiiwang mahal sa buhay. So, meron pa rin makukuha.